Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom a curveball, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is something unexpected that causes confusion or disruption. Just when they thought they had everything in order, an unexpected surprise came into their lives. We just bought our home, have steady jobs, and we're planning a 3-month holiday next year, but life threw us a curveball, a beautiful little curveball called Alex. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. Sometimes, just when it seems as though things are going well, life can throw you a curveball. When that happens, it's important to be tenacious and not let things affect you. It's the middle of summer, and they have planned to go to the beach. We had a lovely day all planned out, but Mother Nature decided to throw us a curveball, and now it's lashing raining. He really enjoys playing video games. I love role-playing video games. Just when I think I know where the story is going, the game unleashes a curveball, and I never know what to expect next. Here are some further examples for professional situations. The Board of Management discussed their current finances. The sudden drop in the company's share price was a real curveball. It happened without any warning signs and made our investors anxious. On Friday evening, just when they were finishing up for the week, the boss threw them a curveball by saying that he needed them all to come into the office on Saturday. As you can see, they are not very happy about it. He was successful in his interview earlier today. He tells his friends how it went. It was going very well until they threw me a curveball. Luckily, I answered well and got the interview back on track. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.